So it's now late September, and this backyard had, last time I mowed this yard was probably in May. So it's overgrown with grass. We have a travel trailer that we keep in the northern part of the state, so we're gone much of the summer. And also, since I broke my wrist in August, the remodeling has come to a stop. Anyway, today I'm going to mow this yard, get this backyard cleaned up. Looks like a bunch of meth heads live here, or hippies or something. The garden square, gotta get that grass out of there. That'll take probably about a week. And then here's what's left of an outdoor gym we tried to set up during the pandemic. But now that we both have vaccinations, we're going to start going back to the gym. So clean this up, reclaim this space here. There's some grass, gotta get that out of there. And here's our garden square that's been overrun with Bermuda grass. You can see it's starting to come out even on the pavers there. You know, if there's ever a nuclear Armageddon, three things will thrive will be cockroaches, scorpions, and Bermuda grass. Anyway, I hope we'll get this weeded here in about another week so we can plant our fall garden. Alright, let's fire a scribe and see if we can get this thing going here. Yeah, sure, I'll get that done. I set the mower up higher, so I have to make two passes over the yard. One with the mower up high, one with it down normal.